Does your apartment feel cramped and cluttered? Do you find yourself wishing for more space, but knocking down walls isn't an option? If you're living in a small apartment, it can sometimes feel like every inch matters. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Today we're diving into 10 budget-friendly space-saving hacks that will not only make your apartment feel bigger, but also keep it looking stylish. Whether you're short on storage, or just want to create a more organized and open space, these simple solutions will inspire you to make the most of what you have. Plus, stick around until the end for a bonus tip that could completely transform your apartment. Ready to reclaim your space? Let's get started. Hack 1. Under-bed fabric storage containers. One of the most overlooked spaces in any small apartment is right under the bed. Instead of letting it gather dust, why not use it for extra storage? Fabric storage containers are a simple, budget-friendly solution to keep things like seasonal clothes, extra bedding, or even shoes neatly tucked away. The best part is that these containers slide in and out easily, keeping your essentials out of sight but within reach. Not only do they free up closet space, but they also help reduce clutter, making your apartment feel more open. If you're short on closet space, this hack is a game changer. Hack 2. Stackable bins with magnetic doors. Stackable bins are a lifesaver in tight spaces, especially when you need to store items without creating a mess. The key is to find bins with magnetic doors. This makes it super easy to access your things without the hassle of unstacking them every time you need something. These bins are perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, or closets where floor space is limited. Plus, they come in various stylish designs, so you can choose ones that match your apartment's decor. With these bins, you can store more without compromising style or convenience. Hack 3. Tall, narrow storage cabinet with movable wheels. When you're working with limited space, flexibility is key. A tall, narrow storage cabinet on wheels can make all the difference. This versatile piece of furniture can easily slide into tight spaces, whether it's between your fridge and counter or beside your bathroom sink. The movable wheels allow you to shift it around whenever you need to, offering storage that's both functional and mobile. From storing pantry items to bathroom essentials, this cabinet is the perfect space saver. And the best part, you can find budget-friendly options that don't sacrifice style for utility. Hack 4. Over-the-door organizers. Doors aren't just for opening and closing. They can be your new storage solution. Over-the-door organizers are a quick and affordable way to add extra storage to any room. Whether it's for shoes, toiletries, or accessories, these organizers make use of vertical space that often goes unused. They're perfect for small bathrooms where counter space is limited, or bedrooms that lack closet storage. Just hang them over any door, and you've instantly gained extra room without taking up any floor space. Simple, stylish, and super functional. Hack 5. Portable clothes racks with storage baskets. If closet space is hard to come by in your apartment, a portable clothes rack with storage baskets can be a lifesaver. This stylish solution allows you to hang clothes, store accessories, and even display your favorite items all in one place. The additional storage baskets at the bottom are perfect for shoes, bags, or any small items you need to tuck away. What's great about this rack is that you can move it around your apartment, making it a flexible storage option. Whether you need extra space in your bedroom or want to organize a guest room, this budget-friendly hack keeps things tidy and accessible. Hack 6. Closet organizers with multifunctional hangers. Closet space can feel like a luxury in a small apartment, but with multifunctional hangers, you can maximize every inch of it. These clever hangers allow you to hang multiple garments vertically, saving tons of space. From organizing your scarves and ties to stacking your shirts or pants, multifunctional hangers make it easy to keep things tidy while making room for more. This is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to transform a cramped closet into a well-organized space. Plus, it's a budget-friendly solution that can instantly give you extra storage without a closet renovation. Hack 7. Command broom and mop grippers. Cleaning tools like brooms and mops can easily clutter up your floors or closet. That's where command broom and mop grippers come in handy. These easy-to-install, damage-free grippers let you hang your cleaning tools on the wall, keeping them off the floor and out of the way. You can place them in a pantry, laundry room, or behind a door, wherever it's most convenient for you. It's a quick and affordable fix that keeps things neat while saving floor space. Best of all, they're easy to remove without leaving any marks, making them perfect for renters. Hack 8. Slim cabinets for narrow spaces. If you've ever found yourself staring at a narrow gap between the sink and the wall, wondering how to use that space, a slim cabinet is your answer. Slim cabinets are designed to fit in tight areas like bathrooms, hallways, or even kitchens. They offer just enough storage for items like cleaning supplies, toiletries, or pantry essentials, and they keep things out of sight without taking up much room. These cabinets are not only a space saver but can also add a sleek, minimalist look to your apartment. You'll be amazed at how much extra storage you can create in these narrow spaces. Hack 9. Wall-mounted ironing boards. Traditional ironing boards take up valuable closet or floor space, but a wall-mounted ironing board solves that problem instantly. It folds away neatly when not in use, freeing up room for other things. Whether you mount it in your laundry room or inside a closet, this hack keeps things tidy and functional. Wall-mounted ironing boards are affordable and come in various designs that suit your style, making them both practical and aesthetically pleasing. You'll never have to worry about where to store your bulky ironing board again. Hack 10. Rolling storage cubbies. If you're dealing with a lot of small items like toys, pet supplies, or shoes, rolling storage cubbies are a fantastic solution. These portable storage units can move wherever you need them, whether it's in the living room, bedroom, or even the entryway. Their versatility makes them perfect for organizing clutter while still keeping everything within easy reach. Choose cubbies that match your apartment's decor to maintain a stylish look while staying organized. And since they're on wheels, you can easily move them around to change up your space or clean without any hassle. These 10 space-saving hacks will help you transform your small apartment into a more spacious, organized, and stylish home. The best part? Each hack is budget-friendly and easy to implement, so you don't have to break the bank to create a more functional living space. Which of these hacks will you try first? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on making the most of your small apartment. Bonus tip. Want an extra hack? Multi-purpose furniture like ottomans with hidden storage can add both style and functionality to your space. It's a simple addition that can make a huge difference in how your apartment feels.